Graduation is just the beginning. At TechPass Africa, we know that the real journey starts when you step into the world of endless possibilities, and the TechPass Graduates Program is here to guide you every step of the way. The TechPass Graduates Program is a 3-month intensive program for young African graduates. It equips participants with in-demand tech skills, including coding, data analytics, and digital marketing, as well as real-world experience and industry insights to thrive in the digital economy. This program offers immersive visual training from industry leaders, hands-on experience from collaborative startup projects, paid and unpaid internship from real-world application, access to tech professionals, and personalized mentorship and career support. The program is designed to help participants gain entrepreneurial skills, industry experience, and navigate the job market. It's a comprehensive program that goes beyond training, aiming to build a community of peers, mentors, and industry leaders who are passionate about technology and innovation. Joining the TechPass Graduate Program means unlocking your full potential, becoming a part of a vibrant community, and contributing to building a brighter future for Africa. Are you ready to take the next step in your tech journey? Join the TechPass Graduate Program and unlock your full potential.